Yes, mga kabarangay Lakers, panalo po tayo! Yan! Lamang po tayo ng siyam na puntos po, 107.98. Salamat naman po, nanalo tayo mga kabarangay Lakers. Ito po, titingnan po natin ang sa kabilang linya, sa kabilang mga dito sa monitor natin. Yan. Kita niyo po. Panalo po tayo mga kabarangay Lakers. Ay, salamat naman.
All right, Rui Hachimura, that game turned in the second quarter. You scored 12 points in a matter of about 5 minutes. What did you see there to try and get the guys going?
You know, right after the game, LeBron was out. We found out that LeBron was out, so the coaches told me I had to step out tonight. So yeah,